What's up guys? Today I want to do a Lego review of set number 41618, which is the BrickHeadz Anna and Olaf set. This is from the movie Frozen, if you didn't know, and this has 201 pieces and is for ages 10 and up. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. Alright, so we got 3 bags of Legos and the instructions. So there's the completed Olaf. This took a little over 10 minutes to build. It was fun though. It was cool to see how he started to form. Some of the parts I didn't know where it was going with, but it was cool how they utilized some of these pieces down here for the mouth. we go. There is Olaf and Anna. These were a lot of fun to build. Anna took about a little over 15 minutes. I like the detail on her. It's really nice. You got some printed blocks here. Right in front, and her freckles up there. And then what they did with the hair here was really cool. There's her hands. And they're both on these platforms. So this set was rated for 10 and up, and I believe that's fairly accurate. There are a lot of small pieces in this. I have a 4-year-old son, and I'm not sure how he would do with these ones right here. So this was Lego's answer to the Pop Funko fad. You know, these were really popular. I actually think the Lego ones are more enjoyable. First of all, for just building them, but they look really cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and make sure to check out brickdeals.com for more videos and deals on Legos.